Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.19 in new edition. Now problem number 8. You are given two matrices capital A and capital B, then you have to show that A square plus B square that is equal to I. I refers identity matrix. Okay. Here is the question. A matrix and B matrix. A square plus B square equal to I, we have to prove. First we can find A square. A matrix into A matrix. Solution. A square that is equal to A matrix into A matrix. A matrix into A matrix. A matrix, here it is. Cos theta 0, 0 cos theta. Again write cos theta 0, 0 cos theta equals row by column multiplication. Here we have two rows, here we have two columns. The resultant matrix is two rows, two columns. In the first row we have cos theta and 0. Cos theta and 0. Here also cos theta 0. Second row we have 0 and cos theta. So 0 cos theta, 0 cos theta. In second matrix we have to consider only the columns. First column cos theta and 0. Here also cos theta and 0. Second column 0 cos theta, 0 cos theta, 0 cos theta equals first with the first, second with the second, first, second, first, second, first, second. Okay, now multiply cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, 0 into 0, 0. Cos square theta plus 0. Next one. Cos theta into 0, 0, 0 into cos theta, 0, 0 plus 0. 0 into anything 0, anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So 0 plus 0. 0 into 0, 0, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, 0 plus cos square theta equals. Add these two, will be getting cos square theta, 0, 0, cos square theta. Like that you have to find out B square. B square that is equal to B matrix into B matrix. Sorry, B matrix. B into B. That is equal to B matrix into B matrix. B matrix you are given sin theta 0, 0 sin theta. Sin theta 0, 0 sin theta. Here also have tried sin theta 0, 0 sin theta. Again row by column. Here we have two rows, here we have two columns. So 2 rows, 2 columns. So 2 by 2 matrix. The resultant matrix of order 2 rows, 2 columns. Here first row sin theta 0. Second row 0 sin theta. Sin theta 0, 0 sin theta. Sin theta 0. Here also sin theta 0. Second one 0 sin theta, 0 sin theta. Column sin theta 0. Second matrix, first column sin theta 0, then 0 sin theta. Sin theta 0, 0 sin theta equals first with the first, second with the second. Sin theta into sin theta, sin squared theta, 0 into 0, 0. Sin squared theta plus 0. Sin theta into 0, 0, 0 into sin theta, 0, 0 plus 0. 0 into sin theta, 0, sin theta into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0, sin theta into sin theta, sin squared theta, 0 plus sin squared theta equals sin squared theta plus 0, that is equal to sin squared theta. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus sin squared theta, sin squared theta. Therefore, you have to calculate a square plus b square. A square plus b square. A square already have proved, this is cos squared theta, 0, 0 cos squared theta. Here it is, a square. Now b square here it is, what it is, sin squared theta, 0, 0 sin squared theta. Now here addition, corresponding elements to be added, corresponding cos squared theta plus sin squared theta. 0 plus 0, again 0 plus 0, and these two should be added, cos squared theta plus sin squared theta. So addition, so corresponding elements for your reference, I draw like this, corresponding elements to be added. That is equal to cos squared theta plus sin squared theta, that is an identity you will be studying later when you learn that chapter trigonometry. Cos squared theta plus sin squared theta value is 1. Remember, 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0, 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. Already I told you cos squared theta plus sin squared theta equals 1. 1 0 0 1, that is an identity matrix, you know very well. Identity matrix is a square matrix, all the elements are 0 except the leading diagonal elements. This is called the leading diagonal elements. The leading diagonal elements must be 1 only, 1, here also 1. So what matrix it is? Identity matrix, that is represented by the letter I. So we have proved a square plus b square, that is equal to I. You are asked to prove that only, a square plus b square, that is equal to I. It is proved. So problem number 8 is completed. I will be teaching that problem number 9 in the next video. Thank you, children.